Simplify, open a bracket, 3 over 4 minus 2 over 3, close the bracket, times 1 on number 1 over 5 in 42 seconds. All these seconds associated to each of those questions is more than enough. And these will help you if you're preparing for your JAM or most especially the exam that is time bound. Okay? So if you can maintain all these seconds, it will help you better. They are very simple. LCM. Work on the bracket first, then you do your converting proper to proper fractions, then you can get your answer by multiplication or cancel out whatever. You see, it's very simple. Mind solving before pen solving makes your pen solving easier and faster, and you'll be able to meet up with the time. Cheers.